Starter's energized. Watching the NG. The NG is going to stabilize now. We're going to introduce fuel. Now we're watching for the ITT rise up and the NG rise up. Looking for hot starts and hung starts on the engine. Alright, good start.
Airport information, Golf 1800 Zulu weather. Wind calm, visibility 10, thunderstorms in the vicinity. 2,800 scatter, 3,600 scatter. Temperature 27, dew point 21, altimeter 29er. Landing and departing runway 15, GPS approach in use. Runways 1028 and 624 are closed. All taxiways north of runway 1028 except taxiway Bravo and Gulf 1 are closed. All aircraft advise direction of flight or destination prior to taxi. Advise controller on initial contact, give information, Golf.
Alright, we have information, Golf. Alright, welcome aboard everybody. First thing we're going to do before we get our clearance is move away from the hangar here so we're not blasting them out with the engine.
And Tiger 158, left turn on to 10 and then a right turn on to Bravo.
Left 10, right Bravo, Tiger 158.
Alright, this looks good. We'll stop here and pick up our IFR clearance. Up and ground, good afternoon. TBM851 Tango Bravo over at Spot 5 with Golf. Looking to pick up our IFR.
TBM851 Tango Bravo, pop to ground, cleared to Opelika via radar vectors. Maintain 2000. Departure frequency 119.7. Squawk 4747.
Cleared over to Opelika, Florida. Radar vectors will maintain 2000. 119.7 on departure frequency, squawking 4747 of our Ray 51 Tango Bravo.
TBM1 Tango Bravo, readback is correct. Advise ready to taxi with the ATIS.
And we're ready to taxi over to Spot 5 with Golf, 851 Tango Bravo.
TBM1 Tango Bravo, runway 15, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 6. Then on 10 from Alpha to Bravo, Golf to 15.
Taxi to 15 via Alpha, cross runway 6, 10, Alpha, Bravo, Golf to runway 15, 851 Tango Bravo.
That was pretty good.
Thanks. Alright, we got our taxi instructions.
TBM1 Tango Bravo, verify you'll be ready when you get to the end.
Affirmative, we'll be ready, 851 Tango Bravo.
TBM1 Tango Bravo, roger. When you make the left turn off of Bravo onto taxiway Golf, monitor tower 125.4, and he'll call you as soon as we get the release.
Roger, Bravo on the Golf, 851 Tango Bravo, wait for him. This runway is closed, as you can see from this X they got out here. They're doing maintenance on it. That's only 6. Alright, so I'd like to welcome everybody aboard. How's everybody doing? Good? Good, glad to hear. It's very exciting to have the TBM back from its annual maintenance inspection.
Roger.
Once a year, airplanes have to go in for a maintenance inspection, and this one just went through it. It was not a cheap one this year, as we also had our generator failure. And so we had a $25,000 refurbished generator put in, along with our annual.
28.
If you guys do like these videos, please smash the thumbs up button, also subscribe to the channel. Now we'll get this out of the way. I'm really excited. We're giving the Bose A20 headset away. If you go to steve01canevo.com, that's where you can sign up for all the different contests. Thanks to all my patrons that support the channel, I was able to give a Bose A20 headset away, and the winner is, very excited for this, is Dennis Wood. Dennis Wood, congratulations. You are the winner of the Steve01 Canevo signed Bose A20 headset. Very excited to be able to give that away to somebody. And Dennis, you're the winner.
Tower frequency 125.4, he's ready for you.
Roger, over to tower 851 Tango Bravo, have a good day. Alright, we're going to go over to tower frequency here. And we'll check on, let them know we're holding short in sequence of 15. Pompano Tower, good afternoon. TBM851 Tango Bravo, holding short in sequence from 15.
TBM851 Tango Bravo, traffic short. We're just touching down now, be about 30 seconds late.
Roger.
TBM851 Tango Bravo, popping the tower after departure, turn left heading 290. Maintain 2000. Runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 15, we'll turn left 290, maintain 2,000 feet, November 851 Tango Bravo. Alright, we're giving our takeoff clearance here. They're doing a run-up over here off our left, so we got priority to go ahead of them.
Pompano Tower, Twin Star 59 Lima uniform is holding short of runway 15.
Final's clear, and down the runway is clear. We'll line up here in center line.
Twin Star 59 Lima uniform, Pompano Tower, hold short, runway 15.
Alright, here we go, guys. Opelika, Florida, here we come.
59 Lima uniform.
Use the power up there for takeoff power, and that is set. Glance down, look at the oil temperature pressures, all good in the green. Airspeed's alive. Just holding our center line. And there's a rotation speed. We're nice and light. We'll go gear up, tap the brakes.
Target 158, number 2, traffic at Twin Star at 2 miles.
The gear is up.
TBM851 Tango Bravo, turn left to 290. Contacts Miami 119.7. It's a left turn at 290.
Left to 290 and go over to Miami 851 Tango Bravo. Miami, good afternoon. November 851 Tango Bravo, D1000, climb into 2, turn left to 290.
November 851 Tango Bravo, Miami departure at our contact, climb and maintain 3000.
Climb and maintain 3000, 851 Tango Bravo.
Number 1067
And
Mike,
we'll roll out here
180.
on a 290 heading.
18067 Mike.
That's our altitude alert for 2,000 feet. 1,000 feet to go to 3,000. Got some big storms out there today, guys. We'll put the autopilot on.
Number 851 Tango Bravo, turn left, heading 240.
Left 240, 1 Tango Bravo. And they're doing a good job keeping us away from the storms. Here, we're leveling out at 3,000 feet. We're very excited. Coming up is Oshkosh at the end of July. Be sure to go to steveoandknievo.com. We got a great meetup schedule happening starting Thursday at noon at the M0A booth in Hangar B. You're going to be able to hang out with Jason Shepard and I for around an hour from noon to 1. We're going to be giving a lot of cool pilot swag away and signing autographs, taking pictures with you guys. We also have meetups happening at Bose Display at noon on Friday and ForeFlight Display Saturday at noon. So go over to the website, check out the meetup schedule, and sign up to come hang out with us. It's a lot of fun. If you guys can see that, we got a storm off to the right there. It is really big. Tons of lightning in it. You're looking for ForeFlight. You also see all the different traffic we have in this area. You also see the weather. And out to the far right over there is a bunch of restricted area for firefighting. They got some forest fires happening out there in the Everglades.
1 Tango Bravo, contact Miami approach 128.6, good day.
286, 1 Tango Bravo, good day. Miami, November 851 Tango Bravo, D3000 on 180 heading.
851 Tango Bravo, Miami approach, good afternoon, advise to be at Opelika in sight when I put you in a downwind.
Roger, we got Opelika in sight, 851 Tango Bravo.
Opelika tower formation, whiskey 1067 Mike, Miami approach, good afternoon. 106016, gust 20. November 851 Tango Bravo, turn right heading 210.
Right to 210, we have information whiskey, 851 Tango Bravo.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, we'll continue to get whiskey.
Marks, distant lightning, north and west. ILS runway 9 left approaching, use landing and departing runways 9 left, 9 right, and 12. Advisory, clearance delivery open 119.2. Advise on initial contact, you have information whiskey.
Alright, we've got the rest of the information. What it is every hour, the airport broadcasts an airport information and gives an identifier. You tell them you have what it is for that hour, which is whiskey this hour. That way you know you have the most current airport information. That's what we did right there. But it's exciting to get the airplane back from its maintenance inspection. It's pretty good when you have a job and you miss it when you're not working.
November 1 Tango Bravo, turn right heading 250.
Right to 250, 1 Tango Bravo. Some of the different things we had done to the TBM on this annual is we had LED lights installed compared to the old light bulb type lights. They last longer and they're more reliable and they're actually brighter, so we got that done. And we had the prop overhauled on this one, on this annual. So the prop came off, they had this airplane completely torn apart. But it's always really good to be able to go in and have your airplane looked at. You want to make sure everything's holding up like it should.
Uniform is level at 2500.
November 1, Tango Bravo, clear bridge approach from 1 hour left.
Clear for the visual 9 left, 851 Tango Bravo. Alright, time to have a little fun here, guys. We'll pull the iPad off the yoke here, and we'll disconnect the autopilot and hand fly it in for the visual. I just double tapped
Southwest 583 Miami.
on the autopilot disconnect there, which is on the left side of the yoke.
583 with you passing 2000 now for 3000.
Southwest 583, my departure, good afternoon, radar contact, line maintain 4000.
We'll pull the power back a little bit here and start a descent in for the visual for 9
Or
left.
67 Mike, descend and maintain 2000.
67 Mike, down at 2000.
Or 1 Tango Bravo, base turn inside of 5 miles if able, contact Opelika Tower 134.67, see you.
Right, we'll make a short approach and over to Tower 851 Tango Bravo.
Southwest 583, contact departure.
You guys say short approach? I say we did try that, huh? Okay, sounds good. Opelika Tower, November 851 Tango Bravo, with you 4 to the north, inbound on the visual for 9 left.
Sure, 851 Tango Bravo, Opelika Tower, runway 9 left, clear land.
Clear to land, 9 left, 851 Tango Bravo. Alright, here we go. Clear to land. Got this thing pulled all the way back to idle, trying to slow it up. The last TBM I flew didn't seem as fast as this one. This one really seems
Sure, 5 Whiskey Alpha, traffic 12
more
o'clock, 3
aerodynamic.
miles southbound at 2
I don't know if that's possible.
Base runway 9 left.
Are we looking for that traffic 5 Whiskey Alpha?
Sure, 5 Whiskey Alpha, roger, turn right northbound, I'll call you left turn.
Alright, that guy off to the left is going to follow us in.
5 Whiskey Alpha.
Sure, 0 Foxtrot Alpha, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 510 Foxtrot Alpha.
Alright,
Sure, 1
landing.
Tango Bravo, traffic, 10 o'clock, 2 miles, Cessna 172, turning right northbound.
Roger, keep an eye out for the traffic, 1 Tango Bravo. Oh, got him in sight. Yeah, we got the traffic in sight for 1 Tango Bravo.
1 Tango Bravo, roger.
Alright, so we'll go like basically direct to the numbers. For our last notch flaps.
Centurion 1067, Mike's 8 miles northwest.
Sure, 1067 Mike, Opelika Tower, runway 9 left, clear land.
And the flaps are selected and indicated. Yeah, short approaches are fun. They kind of test your skills.
500.
Good afternoon, November 651.
In a good position as you turn short and final.
We'd like to request short delay.
When I have passengers on board, I don't normally do this as much because it's not as uncomfortable and it could be a little scary for a passenger. But if I have other pilots on board or it's just me, it's kind of fun. So we're not going to land on that runway you see right in front of us. Here we go, guys. We're going to start our turn. I'm pitching for around 90 knots. Here we are now. We're lined up on the runway we're going to land on. And we got a right crosswind on this landing. So I'm going to pull the power back, kick in some left rudder, hold the flare, and there we go, guys, center line. I'm putting in my crosswind correction with the controls here. And we'll slow it up. Welcome to Opelika, Miami, Florida. I haven't landed this airplane in probably 4 or 5 weeks, so it was a pretty decent landing for not being in it for a while. Alright, we'll make Foxtrot here.
Sure, 1 Tango Bravo, if able, right turn on Foxtrot, contact ground 1 up.
Foxtrot going to ground, 851 Tango Bravo.
Okay, thank you, 995.
Opelika ground, good afternoon. TBM851 Tango Bravo, clearing 9 left on Foxtrot, and you go to signature.
851 Tango Bravo, block at ground, no delay, turn left on November, expedite through Echo, then November 6.
November expedite through Echo, November 6 into the ramp, 851 Tango Bravo. Alright, so they want us to expedite here on November past the Echo intersection, and that has to deal with that Looks like a Challenger jet over there on the ramp is going to be coming out. Well, that'll be no factor. And then what we're looking for is November 6th, taxiway into the ramp. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that flight, that IFR flight from Pompano Beach to Opa-locka. Congratulations again to Dennis Wood, who won the
Alpha Mike, contact tower.
Bose A20 headset. We'll be giving more stuff away. Hope to see you guys at the meetups here coming up in Oshkosh at the end of July. Well, you know, look at this little birdie. We gotta get out of the way, little birdie. We don't want to hit a little bird, you know, you gotta be environmental friendly. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you again someday soon.